Hey everyone, first question, could these be the best iPhone 18 Pro colors yet? Leaks show black, silver, and a bold red option. Insiders also claim Apple may drop aluminum on Pro models and bring titanium back, similar to the 16 Pro, responding to users who wanted a more premium and durable frame again in 2026. Next, iPhone 18 Pro is expected to keep the 6.3-inch OLED with 120Hz ProMotion and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Rumors mention the new A20 Pro chip built on 2 nanometers, 12GB RAM, 48-megapixel main sensor, improved 5x telephoto, and a 24-megapixel front camera for sharper detail and better low-light performance. Finally, iPhone 18 Pro Max should remain at 6.9 inches with the same 120Hz LTPO panel and slimmer bezels. Battery could exceed 5,000 mAh, paired with vapor chamber cooling at Apple's C2 modem for stronger efficiency. If power stays high and sizes stay the same, which model are you choosing?